Hello guys, in this tutorial we will implement a program that will calculate factorial. So let's start. Public static int. As the factorial of a number is also a number which belongs to integer data type, so it will be a int. Factorial, and input is also an integer, so int number. Now the body of the method. So first I will initialize a variable which is the result. Int result is equal to 1. Now next I will use a for loop. Int I is equal to 1. It will be the starting point. I is less than equal to number. So it will be the maximum value of I. Increment or decrement I is equal to I plus 1. So first time it will be 1, and each time there will be an increase of 1. And when will it stop? When the value of I will be equal to number. Now we will go inside the body of for loop. Result is equal to result multiplied by I. So let's say the first time the number is 4. Result is 1 and I is 1. So 1 multiplied by I will equal to 1. So result is 1 right now. Next time I will be 2 and result will be 1. So 2 multiplied by 1 is equal to 2. Now the result is 2. I is 3. 3 multiplied by 2 is 6. So result is 6. The next time I is 4. 4 multiplied by 6 is equal to 24. And after that the compiler will exit the loop. After that I will return the result. Return result. Sorry. Here I will print out system.out.println factorial of 4 plus factorial 4. Now I will copy this line 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Here it will be 5. It's 6, 7. 5, 6, 7. Now I will run the program. So you can see it is printing the result correctly. So we have saved a lot of space by using a method. And our program is simple and clean. So this is all for now for this tutorial. And if you like this tutorial, please subscribe to my channel.